Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters, and today I've got a very exciting new product for the Cybertruck. You may remember we introduced the CTX Extreme Duty front bumper. Now we have the matching CTX rear bumper. Extreme Duty, made from alloy steel, custom made exactly for the Cybertruck in an OEM grade factory. Let's get into some of the details. What makes this thing special? First of all, the design DNA on this. This is Cybertruck design language. It looks like it's right and made for the Cybertruck. Let's go through some of the features. Of course, the factory reverse lights are integrated up here. The side markers integrated over there. You don't lose anything. What do we add to this? We add an optional, extremely bright dual LED bar back here for reverse light. You can plug that in. It will show the trailer icon on the screen, but that's okay. It gives magnificent reverse light. We also have high lift jack points integrated on both sides of the bumper. You can jack up right on the bumper. The factory tow hitch is right here underneath this cover. 4 bolts, remove our cover, get to the factory tow hitch. The towing hitch is the lowest point on the factory truck, so we can't do much with the departure angle here, but the departure angle on the sides greatly improved by moving up the edges on the side for the bumper as you come out of an obstacle. One thing people hate on the factory bumper is there's nowhere for water to drain. We've taken that into account. There's water drainage up here, so you won't be pooling water up here. It's going to slip right through the bumper. We also have these nice features in here, just a design feature, a step for you to step up here on your bumper. This is it, guys. It's the perfect complement to the back of the truck. And remember, come on up front here. If you need our beadlock wheels for off-roading, we've got ditch lights up here. We've got the T-sportline light bar up there, which outperforms the Tesla light bar by a significant factor for light output. And of course, the perfect finishing touch, the CTX front bumper, add a winch, lighting, whatever you need. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.